We didn't come here to take it easy. We came to face the challenge to beat the mighty Old Telegraph Track. And there's only one way to go, and that's the hard one. We can't ride this, but I've got a plan B. And as you know, every great idea a man ever had started with. Just hold my beer, what could possibly go wrong? So now we use a strap, and then it goes down there.
I think I can hold it, so you can, yeah, I can. Don't drop yourself down. Don't drop yourself, because then...
I'm gonna lose a lot of fuel already.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. Okay, geht. Okay. Oh,
Would you?
this is not good.
Can you hold it?
Yes. Grab it, we lose fuel. Carry on. I have it.
Yeah.
Okay, you have it.
Yeah.